election under Section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Election to the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya adjourned AC from 23 Sohīong ST Assembly Constituency in pursuance of the provisions contained in Section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, read with Rule 64 of the Conduct of Election Rules 1961, I declare that Sinshar Kupar Roy Indo Akba, Mount Village, Sohīong, East Cassis District, Meghalaya, sponsored by United Democratic Party, has been duly elected to fill the seat of the House from the above constituency.
Uba Sinshar Kupar Roy Lingdo Thaba Uba Job yak election nongthawaiñ sak ying dorbar ka jala Meghalaya na Sohīong constituency hakakat lai trik jumang arjar pulai uloong ba ka jingjob ka jungu ka dei lingba ka jingieid ki pai ba nong kersan habakren sikilat patai kubor hadien bala dep pediang yak sonor jingshaji jungu kumud khot sak ying dorbar thawaiñ uba Sinshar uloong ba ka Sohīong kamlong banwan thiet ki pai ba da ka bor pisa uloong ru ba kwa banlong tang nongmihkhmat re kum nongthawaiñ ka Sohīong block Uba Sinshar bela job persya yu kertong ke NPP ketau ba samlin malngiang dan lai hajar saus pa arpu arbut hadien bela nyau iki bud ha kani kesengi.
Ngati ngai ngu yu play try kandat ngu ba yu khamat ta kani de kam kaba nasib kani de kam kentang nang ni khamat do ngai ti be play try kandat un da un sumar un yalam nenti yang aman pet ya ka constituency Broadway kumjuru ya ka stiri. I think it is the love and faith of the people bala lai ba kacamangan lek pajba hi kilawan hi daga mensim daga jingieid ga neru ka strong message ba hapo Sohīong mojuan daga bot pisa thiet yu pajba daga jingieid. I just don't want to be a legislator. I want to be a lawmaker who's going to speak in the assembly. So kini other subjects like ILP, the roster recruitment system, the UCC, which is like subject jungi public campaign.
So what do you think about this demand for review of the reservation policy?
Let's see, let's wait. I have no other comments. Then let's wait. Let's see tomorrow onwards. Imahel at Raybun. He come Kimati jungi Babun, Sohīong constituency. I am a continuation of his work. Kumala juangi. So nganle kat bangala mandur penting bahabri susu ya Sohīong constituency.
So now you will repair the damage that has been done, like your uncle.
Yeah, obviously. It's been a drought in the last 5 years. I think from today onwards, I think starts a new era in Sohīong constituency. This is a clear message. Do not come and buy people with money. Come with love. This is a strong message. Obviously, sympathy vote. Kade kajingi jong pajba i mahe. Takacaka jongi nami mangate. So pajba kadan sympathy vote.
Kiki tagi jingduna try haga Sohīong constituency ba pipi kwa bani wanra taga chikalan.
I think I have to start from zero again after everything whatever my uncle has done. So Jingkala starts from tomorrow. Let's see from tomorrow onwards. Because I am from there, I know a lot about Sohīong constituency. To upgrade all educational institutions, that is my first priority. So mukwa gibriya bikin dan kita ki drop out, upgrade the education system for Sohīong constituency. That is a priority.
Yeah.